We are in this beautiful dental assisting room. We have lots of equipment that we use. The best part is our dental assistants, we can have 8 people in here practicing at a time. We have enough space in our infection control recirculation room where they can process the instruments, not be crowded on each other, and they just get a lot of hands-on experience. VALT helps us a lot here because we have cameras right above our chairs and then also across because we have 4 chairs on each side. So we can easily mirror across where we can see directly above into the mouth, and then we can also shoot across and be able to see the whole operatory. We love actually the VALT system because the stop, recording, the pause, the markers are great. The presets are amazing because that saves us so much time. Our students don't just sit in the chair and stay there. They are all over that operatory. They set it up. They go from the sink. Sometimes when we're taking impressions, they're behind the patient, to the side, coming back to the sink, spraying. So we can just flip it with one click of a button. The recording where we can copy the link, send it to the students. That's very helpful so that they can do the self-reflection at home. I said earlier that we use demos and we record ourselves doing it correctly. We post all of those on our learning platform and they can watch that before they even have to do the procedure. It saves us so much time. We don't have to demo everything that we do in class. They can watch it, take the notes they need, come to class, they're ready to go.